$50 more. That is just crazy. You might as well.
A little more challenging, I decided to go electric. A drive unit from a Tesla Performance. They have any sophisticated equipment to fit the Tesla subframe. Then it was learning about batteries, and I mentioned this was my first time painting.
Yeah, I've done this one before.
This one's about 28. This is portable battery powered, so once it's charged, it doesn't need to be plugged in. 50 cent pack days when you're trying to adjust tire pressure, things like that. So I think this is really great value. I'll leave a link in the description below. For him, and they actually just said, we're letting you go. And they said, you know, your position's been eliminated by surprise. Just complete shocker. Good. Is there anything I could have done better? So, with the blue car, again, the subscribers and views were quite low. So that project really didn't have profits or anything. It was able to offset a very small portion of the cost. And a lot of people are interested in the cost. I did do a cost episode. Portion, it's $5,600.
Buy another Tesla motor to bounce out of a Porsche.
We will have a little extra time. I do want
Oh,
to
yeah.
this video if you're helping. Every view counts.
Keep it.
Drama, it feels like the sky is falling.
We absolutely love our K20 turbocharged Civic dubbed the Freak, and that's why we're transforming it from this to this. Yeah. Now there ain't nothing to it but to do it, let's get started. Let's do it, bro. We interrupt today's video to introduce our partner, Car Vertical. We use Car Vertical around here all the time because we're oftentimes buying used cars to fix up out in our shop. Before we go buy those cars, we punch the VIN numbers into Car Vertical and check out the background history of the car. You're going to get mileage reporting, you're going to get any accident history, you're going to get all kinds of data through Car Vertical.
And what I really like is that this glitter is kind of on the greener side, so it really matches with the other green nails.
These are clean off my trash.
I think it's pretty.
Yeah, it is.
You like it, right? It's not as
brass
gold.
finish, right?
Yeah. It's not as gold as it looks
that one?
online.
And that's the faucet. It has the hose.
Yeah.
Nice. Now what's that?
The drain.
Oh.
No. This is this.
Nice.
It's really nice. We will put the picture of the screen of what it looks like online. So cute for the kitchen. So we just picked up some lunch from Chili's after we went to meet somebody from Facebook Marketplace for our knobs for the kitchen, and these are really heavy and they're really nice. And then we stopped at Chili's to pick up an order, and we got the triple dippers.
We're gonna probably have to go back out later. I was gonna see if maybe you'll break and stop for you, but I want to see if let's get like a big pack of like do the sink stuff or
Yeah, finish off the canvases.
And then we lost power for a bit, which was a problem in the fact of that we are a nurse and don't have water. So then that was kind of a struggle. So a lot of folks have been asking us for water, other bins, all of that, and yeah, because the landscape and everything I absolutely loved. Like it was, they were glorious. They're beautiful.
It's meant to be brown, but I don't know why to me I'm seeing like burgundy. I'm seeing like a burgundy color on this car seat. So I went shopping for the baby, did some online shopping, and then went inside of Target and picked up a couple things too. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So I'm gonna start off with some pants. Got these cargos, really cute. And then I got him a pair of barrel leg jeans. That's what they're called. So cute, and I think they're gonna fit him a little baggy, so that's perfect. And then it's like a snap button, and I thought this was a cute detail. I guess you can make it tighter around the waist, but I'm not gonna do that. Then I picked up some shorts that were on sale. I got these sweatpants that were on sale. I thought these would be so cute. Maybe with like a light blue hoodie or something. Those were also on sale. I don't know if I said that. And then I really love the camo right now. So when I saw this, I knew he had to have it. And I think this will look good with like some chocolate, like a chocolate brown hoodie, if I can find one. And then I got the cutest hoodie, and this is all from Old Navy. I don't think, yeah, this is all from Old Navy. And that says Best Buds, Mickey and Goofy, and then they're also on the back. So cute. I thought that would look so cute with the cargos like that. And then I got this baseball like jersey button up, and I thought this would look so cute with the jeans like that, maybe like opened with a white tee under. And then I got this t-shirt, which I thought was so cute, and it's like so summery, and we're still in summer, so I thought that looks perfect with those shorts. And I got this shirt, perfect for summer. And then I had to stop saying and then, but I thought it would look really cute with these shorts. And he has a different pair, and I think they're like a more green color. This is like a yellow green, so this shirt could go for those shorts too. This shirt, it says the great outdoors. Oh, on the front it has just a tree, and the back says the great outdoors. And we were thinking maybe like that. The last thing from Old Navy was this birthday pajama, and it's a full onesie pajama, but the feet are out. So cute. And then it's two-way zip. That's perfect. His birthday's not yet, but have to be prepared. And then from Target, we got a few things. They had a sale, 10 off of 40. And then we had a little gift card. Because we did a diaper deal like 2 weeks ago. So we got $20 off of that. So we ended up getting $30 off our order. So it says Hide and Seek Champ, and it's the Sasquatch. And I thought this was really cute. It's just dinosaurs and they're coloring. And he's into his coloring phase right now. Well, so. And I didn't mean to get a long sleeve, but I mean, it's cute. I thought it was a short sleeve. So I guess we're preparing for the fall. And here's another short sleeve. Here's another long sleeve shirt. I don't know what that is, what animal that is. Yeah, I'm not sure. It kind of looks like a gerbil or something. Found the most perfect like linen type shorts. It's gonna look so cute with any of his outfits. And then I think all babies are obsessed with Bluey, just because mine is, so they all are. And this is such cute shirt on the back. And that's what the shorts look like. Bluey and Bingo on the bottom. And this was on sale for $10.50, originally $15. And last but not least, something for fall. Couldn't leave Target without this sweater. It's the softest sweater and I love it. It's gonna look so cute on him. That's all. So, I look a little bit of a mess. Excuse that. But I was just doing a little bit of cleaning up and I was setting out the baby's toy, all his toys and everything, and putting them together inside like the little container because they were kind of like all over the floor. So when he wakes up, he's gonna be like so excited that all his toys are ready to play with and not so chaotic. So he'll just like go right to what he wants. And yeah, so I have almost all of the Bluey plushies. I have Bluey and Bingo and he's Snickers. This is Muffin. This is Bluey and Bingo's cousin. This is Leela. She's their friend. And then this is Coco. And then this is the mom, Chili. And then I have a soccer and a baseball, basketball that he likes to play with. And then some cars. And then my aunt bought him this and he loves this. It's like a little baby Game Boy. And then he has a remote control that my aunt also bought him. And then these like blocks, they're like soft, they're rubber. Those are so cute. And then I got him that Bluey chair. Doesn't really sit in it, but I think once he figures out what it is, he'll sit in it. And then this is like sensory play. And then he has this like little table. And he runs all over the floor with that thing. He pushes it everywhere. And then he has this little red chair with Chase from Paw Patrol. And then this was the cutest thing that I found. It's a little mini Dyson. And then that's like a ball popper. I don't really know what it's called. But I'm excited for when he wakes up because he's going to be so obsessed and so happy that I cleaned his area up. And he's going to be all over the place with all his toys. So I do have a couple of things that I'm doing today. I'm supposed to put paint remover. I think that's what it's called. It's orange. If you want to see the process of us doing our kitchen, go on to different spaces on here on YouTube. I'll link it down below. And we're remodeling our kitchen. There was like 5 or 6 floors that we ripped out. And now we're just down to the bare floor, which is nice. So once we finish that and everything, it's gonna be like amazing. And we're finally getting some counters. I don't know how much I've shown of the kitchen, but it was kind of just like no worktops or anything, no countertops. It was very limited. So we had like the stove area and then like the sink area, which is what you would have, but it wasn't a lot of countertop space. So we're so excited for how it's turning out and how it's going to be in the end. So make sure you stay tuned for that if you're interested in home remodeling content. We also have a bunch of other projects that we have to just like button up. we did our first floor bathroom, and we're gonna do some wallpaper. So as we go through that, I will be sure to show you all the behind the scenes, and then if you want to see everything happening, make sure you follow different spaces.